For creating scores, we have to first think about what's behind the scenes or what's inside of the questions. So I'm going to edit one of these questions just to see any type of scoring attribute that's inside it. So my question, what are the following primary colors, has 3 correct answers, each with a point value. These point values and possibly these correct answers are used in scoring. So bear in mind, any type of scoring totaling is going to be based on the point value inside the question. So I click on my scoring module. Let's say I want to add a total point score. Click on the total point option. I have a total point score that comes up here. And let's say I want to add the raw score or the total points for the entire test. I'm going to add the raw score. We also always allow you to add a variable name, so you can use that in other calculations or possibly in reporting, and a description, the total points for the entire test. I can round my total raw point score. Maybe I want to round it to the nearest whole number, or maybe to 2 decimal points. The scale calculations is something that's a bit complex. There's another video for that. But anyway, for a standard total point score, I then want to say which items are included in this total point. And over on the right-hand side, these are all my items that I put in my questions. So section 1 has a button option, a radio button, some rating scales, some ranking scales. And let's say I want to say all questions are involved in this raw point score. It's now going to take those point values for any of them that I got correct, or any of my selected the response that has a point value, and it's going to sum those up. So the total point score is a lot like saying how many points did I get right. So that's a total point score. You configure the values on the right hand side. You can set rounding and variable names in the middle. One of the more popular scores inside the system.